If you're a site engineer, planning manager, or construction manager, what if you can able yourself to do all of these things which you are going to watch right on your dashboard? With the help of AI, you are going to upload your project, and if you need only design phase requirements, you can see all of them. Procurement separately, construction separately, overall man hours based S curves, early versus late S curves, critical, non-critical, and I'm going to show you all of these things in today's session that you can expertise yourself in just 10 minutes, right? So what exactly you need to do? You have to stay there till the end of today's video because it is going to be very important. Well, my name is Engineer Vakas. I'm the trainer for project planning control with AI tools, and I'm going to teach you all of these things. But before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future if I upload any kind of video, you get that link on time. Well, right now you might heard around you people are saying that in upcoming times AI is going to replace you. Not exactly. I would rather say like AI skilled people are going to replace non AI skilled people. Okay, so write in the comment section area if you are interested to learn AI prompting, if you are interested to use AI in your job career, right? So in this specific particular video, our presentation, I make sure I give guarantee to all of you people that this specific video is going to start your journey to start learning AI. So somehow directly or indirectly, it is going to give you a lot of benefits. So in this video, I'm going to focus on that how to generate different kind of progress dashboards, and meanwhile I will be helping you how to structure your prompts while interacting with different kind of AI models. So here we are going to start with the Primavera P6 dashboard. You know it very well. This is one sample project on Primavera P6 which I have generated, and I can let you know. I will switch to another project which is under discussion right now. So I will get on that project right over here. See, so this project is given all the project planning and scheduling. To use these AI model, which I'm going to specify, you have to get expertise in project planning, control, scheduling concepts, Primavera P6. And if you did not learn any of these things so far, you can find those tutorials in my video detailed descriptions, right? So right now I'm starting from here. This is one simple project. I need to create different kind of S curves. One overall project S curves, different phase based S curves. So there is one thing you have to do with Primavera P6. First of all, you have to create different activity codes based on different phases. Get into enterprise. There you can find activity codes, and you have to create activity codes here from very scratch level. Now activity codes are going to link up with their different phase activities because this is very much important requirement in the industry. They need you to submit different kind of S curves. Like your project have three phases, they want you to submit engineering phase S curve separately, procurement phase S curve separately, and construction phase S curve separately. So first I'm going to work on manual way so that I can push that concept, and then automatically we can use that information in our prompt, and we are able to create those automatic created dashboards in Claude AI. So first part, I'm going to click here modify, add. So I'm going to click here my you can say my PDDR design phase documents. You can just write here only design, no problem, because I have too many design A, because I have too many activity codes to just and then I'm going to add here procurement A or my project name OGC, just to make sure it is not get mixed up with other activity codes and construction phase. Okay, construction C. Okay, so I have done it. Now right after this one creation, I'm going to choose them one by one, and I can create their sub categories. Like, okay, over here D stands for design and D stands for design here. Okay, I can go again, I can select another thing, procurement, click on this add button. P stands for procurement, and here P stands for procurement, right? Like this way. And then I can select the third one here, like construction, and I can add construction here. See? Okay. and I can just make here C. Okay. So once all is done, now just make sure you are going to create them under project, not under global, not under EPS, under project, right? Once it's done, you just close them off. Okay, so now here we are, right? So what I'm going to do now, I have to assign these, you know, activity codes. So what I'm going to do, I will select all of these activities belongs to design, keep pressing shift button, right click here, and then assign button, and then you are getting into assign activity codes. So here you are, just click here on the project based S curves, sorry, activity codes. So here I have design only, okay, D under design A. So I'm going to click here. So all design activity code is assigned here, okay. Then I can click here. Actually, again, I could not select all of them. So here the same activity code will be assigned here. So activity codes, project based, again design, like this one. Again, I have to go to assign my procurement like this way. Click on this procurement, right click here, assign activity codes and project based, and this is procurement. All are assigned there. Now I will go for construction and I can find here like this one. All are selected, right click, assign activity codes, and there we have project based, and this is my activity code for construction, right? So I can add this up. Is that clear? It's done. So I can go again one by one in activity details to make sure all of these things are done. Yes, this is my second time I have assigned this one. This is the first time, just in another tutorial, right? Filter. So here we are, select, modify. Here I will press C, construction C. This one is under this one. See? Now all those activities which are assigned with this specific activity code will be only visible on my dashboard. So I will make sure, okay, apply. Now you can see all my design and procurement are gone. And at the same time, I'm going to open my spreadsheet, which is accessible through view, show on bottom, activity uses spreadsheet. Now this spreadsheet is also only representing the same filter because only construction phase is there. See? And I am going to minimize this one. I can select all of this, Control C. Okay, now I'm getting into Excel sheet. I can copy this one here and it's all there. See? And now separate phases. You know, if next time I'm going to implement filter for that procurement, I'm only going to select procurement phase, only procurement phase activities are there, right? So the same way dashboard of spreadsheet will be giving me the data of procurement. I'm going to copy it and I am going to paste it in Excel, and the same procedure will be followed. Now I'm going to press control button, selecting this data. See, so different phases are being there. Okay, that is the manual way, that must be there. You can't skip this way because that is the manual way how to interpret Primavera P6 based data, do using different kind of features and create different phase based S curves. But then I will share with you the prompt, right? So stay there, be patient, right? So now insert, uh, yes, over here, and this is line based. So this is my S curve for only construction phase. Different phase based S curves I can create. Now the same thing I can teach you people in our prompting structure. See, here we are. Now I'm going to tell this prompt act as a progress reporter. Whenever I teach people that how AI is going to play a very vital, important role in creation of all these things which I'm going to teach you people, there is one very important thing that you have to train yourself how to structure prompts. Now people are just expecting I'm going to create prompts, I'm going to make videos, and by the end of that video, I'm going to give them those prompts. That's absolutely right. I'm going to give you all these prompts if you are going to write in the comment section area, but that is not the way how you are going to get expert. Every day you have to take 10 minutes and just play with Claude, just play with Chat GPT with different kind of lines, check your outputs and just observe it, how I change my inputs and output is getting changed. Every day you have to get interact with Claude, Chat GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you are going to use, right? So that is not the way. You are only waiting for these prompts. You have to get yourself trained on AI prompting and all that, right? So here I'm going to teach you the technique which I use mostly, which is very productive as well. AIM technique, AIM. A stands for assign a role to AI model. Okay, assign a role to AI model. Like I need AI model to get me a good CV, so I have to assign role, like act like a professional CV writer. Right now, I want a job done by this AI to make a progress report. So I'm just writing here, act as a progress report expert with Primavera P6 expertise. So A is very important. You have to assign job role to this AI model. Then I stands for instructions. Now I'm going to give my instructions over here. Like create a link where I upload XZR file. Now, before explaining this prompt, one very important thing. Now you have gone through all that manual way how to create different kind of S curves using Primavera P6, different kind of strategies. That is very important thing. Directly you can't jump on AI. AI is only there to help you if you have enough knowledge, enough strategies, enough project management oriented things, subject matter knowledge, right? Then you are able to make exponential growth or productivity using AI. So without your product oriented or project oriented knowledge in this field, you can't make that much progress. Remember that one. First, you need to understand what is planning, what is scheduling, what is Primavera P6, what are the strategies involved in this complete career line, right? In this skill. First, you have to grip on this one. Once you are there, you can eligible yourself to make different kind of prompt structure using those terminologies. Like you can see here what I'm using, like project labor man hours. Now if you have not attended any project planning controlling strategy based skill, and you can't understand what is labor man hours, S curves, then activity codes. You can't understand. So here, activity codes, which is I have already assigned activity codes on the basis of their phases. So I'm just explaining. I need different activity codes based, which I have assigned D, P, C. That is my manual, assignment. So create separate S curve for design phase, procurement phase, construction phase. On the basis of budgeted labor units, give me stacked histograms too, and then a slicer box where I can see overall labor S curves. So this complete prompt is actually representing my knowledge about planning and scheduling, and I can communicate with this AI model with proper, accurate understanding, like what I need. Okay, what I need. First, I have to compile my data. Then I have to communicate. So that's what I'm going to use, and I am going to share with you over here. This is somewhere I have already shared this one. You can see act as a progress report. This is already done and it will process itself. Now, this is not only a, when I use create a link, this prompt will not remain a simple prompt. This will turn Claude functionality to create output as an artifact. Artifact is a specialized feature of Claude, which is going to make it prominent among all AI models. Okay, so when I ask, so see, it is going to create one link here. I can just upload my XZR file. Okay, see, I can download it from here. Okay, so see, it has created me different kind of, and if I will upload any other XZR file, upload different XZR, see, such kind of thing will be created. And now I will just show you the demo. This one I am going to select here. So suddenly, see, it has created in just few seconds. In Excel, okay, we can have proper data, understanding manual way, see, design. It is giving me complete design, only design, then procurement, then construction, labor, man hours, overall project man hours. See, they're stacked histograms. Now, these are the three colors which are representing by design is being represented by blue color, procurement is by yellow, construction is by red. Now, overall, it's showing stacked histograms. Okay. If I need a slicer, right? So here is the slicer, which is giving me the different combinations. Early start, this is, that is how my early start strategy will look like. Only critical activities, non-critical activities. See, that is how we can make different kind of combination. Write in the comment section area if you like such kind of prompts. I will encourage you people to use these prompts to understand them and change the lines. That is the best way you can learn all these things. You can make yourself expert in this thing. Change lines. Like next time you are going to use this prompt, use non-labor man hours, use a cost-based S curves, use another thing just to change something in this prompt and get your results in other way and observe them. That is the real understanding. Moreover, I need your comment section area what exactly you want me to make in my next video. That is how we are going to learn in very interactive way. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.